Hi there YouTube, this is the Jaha5 with a new YouTube video. It's been quite a while since I've done a YouTube video, but here I am, I'm still alive, thankfully. And in front of you is the Sharp SG222. Now, unlike the SG220, this one was manufactured, well, of course by Sharp, but it was assembled right here in Trinidad and Tobago by CTC Electronics. Let's go to the system. As you can see, we have no power button, but the FM radio indicator is on. So in order to give it power and take off power, I have to use this power switch, this power strip, sorry, and use the strip at the back. As you can see, the radio is on. So yeah, so the radio works very well. Unfortunately, this little thing here isn't working. That's just to indicate the strength of the station. So let's continue. The phonograph unfortunately isn't working. The belt needs to be replaced, and also the cartridge needs replacing as the needle is broken. Unfortunately, this needle is very hard to find. I've seen it on eBay, but the amount of money I'd pay for a new needle for this, I might as well buy a whole new record player and done. Yeah, so let's move on to the cassette, which is the very technical part. So we get rewind. That works well. I recently repaired this thing. So we get rewind, we get fast forward, but unfortunately we don't get play. We don't get play here. I think this might be because of a very bad idler wheel. I don't know when I will actually take the time to do any repairs on it, but as an added bonus on this system, what I really love it for is that I can hook up something to it like this system down here. I can hook up my computer, I can hook up my cell phone, and whatever and whatnot. And I can just simply press the record knob on this thing, and as you can see, the video meters light up and the meters bounce. So that's what I really love about this system. The cassette part, that is, at the moment, even though the cassette part isn't really working the way I would have liked it to work. So this is just a short video on this Sharp SG222. I really hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching. See you soon. I don't know how soon, but see you soon. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.